to South Sitting's The Rise event. Now this video is brought to you by carhuddle.com, the free online car show directory, and today's car show, as you might be able to hear, is for drifting. And here behind me is a Nissan S15 Silvia with a bunch of spare wheels taken from Nissan 350Zs and all sorts. And this car, as you can see, has been drifting today, and I'll be featuring this car on the video today as well. So I hope to hop in for a little ride in this car and see some of the scenes of it drifting as well. And it's got a huge spoiler and a big exhaust as well. There are tons of variety here. The Soras, BMWs, Mitsubishi GTO, doubt that will be drifting today. But I'm looking forward to hearing and seeing this go sideways. face is covered in mud now. That was brilliant fun. There you go, a POV view of an S15 drifting at South Sitting's The Rise. It's so loud here, a lot of smoke. Someone's doing burnout. Ah, E39M5 doing burnouts. But it's starting to get a little bit dark now, so I'm going to sign off this video, but don't forget to check out my main video of the whole event at South Sitting. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and for now, thanks for watching.